In this connection, it would be gainful to refer to a recent judgment in the case of Tej Prakash decided on 7/1/2024, which was delivered by a larger bench of the Honorable Supreme Court consisting of 5 judges in a reference. Inasmuch as the law in K. Manjushri was doubted, it has been laid down that the decision of K. Manjushri is a good law. We have allowed the writ petition.
May I please? For listing of the case after vacation, you're doing.
Where are you mentioning now? After the vacation, make a mention on the reopening.
Your lordship on the reopening day.
Make a mention now on the vacation. During the vacation, what will happen? Make a mention on the reopening. What is the urgency on 3rd?
Obviously, means Anganwadi worker, there is no stay order, your lord.
Don't make a mention for a listing after the vacation. Make it on 3rd. We'll allow.
Hard.
Yes, motion will be allowed.
Have a similar paper.
Okay. Motion matter. Okay.
I think of motion listing tomorrow, madam.
Motion is all motions allowed. This is motion matter.
I thought I on an actor.
Sri P.R. Sharma, Leonard Council. Sri P.R. Sharma, Leonard Council submits that due to inadvertence, there is some error in filing the writ petition. Full stop. He accordingly submits that he be allowed to withdraw this writ petition with a liberty to present afresh. Full stop. Para. Writ petition is also heard.
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr.
What is your name?
N.K. Sharma, Lord.
Sri N.K. Sharma, Leonard Council, appearing on instruction of Sri H.K. Das, Standing Counsel, Guwahati High Court. Yes, Mr. T.C. Chutia, Additional Senior Government Advocate and Finance, anyone in the court? P. Nayak, Standing Counsel Finance are present. Para. Writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for.
I am praying for listing of two writ petition for withdrawal for tomorrow, my lord.
Okay, we'll try. Yes, bring it. We'll take up only the motion matters today. And if there is extreme urgency in other matters, otherwise only the motion. Okay.
Item 24 for withdrawal.
You want to withdraw? Your name? Sri R.J. Sharma, Leonard Council, submits that he has instructions to withdraw this writ petition. Oh. Hmm? What is the subject matter?
My junior was promoted. I was senior to him. But in the meantime, I retired. The direction of the Delhi High Court
that we cannot direct. If you are withdraw. At best, you can give you liberty to, and that too after examining the case. You cannot direct as taking of steps. It will not amount to withdrawal. Withdrawal of the writ petition. Also heard Ms. B. Sharma, learned CGC, who does not object to such prayer. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed on withdrawal.
Item 1. Yes. On the last of I pray for that submitted before the honorable court that the order of suspension has been taken. And copy was not served to me. Although it was issued in the month of June. As for this honorable court order was the copy was funded. And so far this order is concerned, order is something different. Order suspension has not been repeated. only the order is relating to subsistence allowance. That was kept pending, that has been released. But on the last order, as per submission, that has been recorded that the order of subsistence has been reviewed.
My lord, that was delayed due to Locos Sabha elections, my lord. And nowadays the procedure is that, my lord, any report, whatever may be, is to be get approval from the CM. This procedure is there. Then we have received the paras to and my lord, notice may be issued immediately, we will file the affidavit. Not to dispose of after vacation, my lord.
But I am placed under suspension with effect from 11/12.
DP
Now
al-
more than 1 year.
DP already
That
been
order has
started.
not been issued. As per lordship, within judgment or it is mandatory to the 90 days they have to keep the order.
Now, Mr. Chutia, have you reviewed or not?
That has been, my lord,
And when did you initiate the proceeding? Was it within 90 days?
90 days delayed it is there, my lord, because due to Locos Sabha election, their proceeding is full. So now, my lord, discipline proceeding is started. So let me file the affidavit, my lord, in the meantime, within the after
Or if
vacation.
you have not taken a decision to review and either to extend or revoke the suspension,
Yes, my lord.
then it will go.
They say the revocation of suspension is problem is there, my lord. That's why, my lord, they are not revoking the suspension.
Then you will have to extend it.
Perhaps
It is not in all cases that you are bound to revoke.
they might have.
You apply your mind if you think that suspension revocation is not
Yes,
feasible. You extend the suspension.
Yes,
Matter ends there.
might have extended. Only they have to delay only because due to Locos Sabha election. So
No,
let me
but you have to produce the extension order of suspension. Without that, how can? On assumption, how can you? And you were given time on 1911.
my lord, tomorrow is the last date, my lord. So after immediately obtaining of the vacancy, my lord, in the meantime, I will complete the affidavit and I will obtain the up to the district.
We are not too much interested in the affidavit in this case. We just
Only
because
instruction, that is
it's not a question of justifying. It's an objective satisfaction whether you have done a review or not.
no.
If you have done a review, just place the order.
Accordingly.
That is, affidavit is not required in this type of matters. We will not go into the subjective satisfaction whether there are grounds to revoke, not to revoke.
Not to revoke.
Those are different matters. We'll fix it on 3rd. But we'll fix it for passing final orders. 3rd.
9.
Okay, we'll have it in 6th.
6 1.
Yes. 3rd, if you say it's a reopening day, we'll give you 2 more days. 6th.
Yes.
Okay. Harthree M. Khan Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who, by referring to the order dated 19/11/2024, has submitted that though in the said order an observation, a submission made on behalf of the state was recorded that the order of suspension from service dated 14/12/2023 was reviewed, on receipt of a copy as per the direction of the court, it is submitted that there was no such review. Para 3, T.C. Chutia Learned Additional Senior Advocate prays for some time to take appropriate instructions in this matter. Para, let notice be issued returnable on 6th of January 2025. Here for all.
Yes. 1 and 2. It is appearing.
3, J. Hendrick Learned Planning Council Revenue 1 and 2. Then T.C. Chutia, 3 and 4. Extra copies by tomorrow. Para. On the next date, this court will consider the prayer of the petitioner. On the next date, so the Learned State Council is directed to produce any order of review, produce the order of review, if any, during the prescribed period as per the settled law relating to suspension.
Obliged.
That is to challenge before the division that most the order drafted.
You'll issue a short notice to take instructions.
No.
Heard the S. Bhattakur Learned Counsel for the petitioners who have approached this court with the grievance regarding their promotion from Anganwadi workers to the post of supervisors. It is submitted that the issue has already been decided by this court by judgment and order dated 26/20/22 in WPC 7215 of 2018. Full stop. It is also informed that though the aforesaid judgment has been put to challenge in a writ appeal, there is no interim order of stay. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable on 20th of January 20. 3. J.K. Goswami, Learned Addition Senior Advocate Assam, accepts notice on behalf of
1 and 2.
both the respondents. Extra copies by tomorrow.
Better please to the permission to the post of secretary. It is the escape of last it the selection committee for February 16 to 20. That's find the final grade 20. A vacant post. Thereafter it was forwarded by actuary at page 20. So nothing has been done. That my friend received the inspection. Please, they should not fill up by transfer or any other.
Sri B. Chakraborty, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by his non-promotion from the post of Khalasi in the Public Health Engineering, Mongoldoy Division to the post of Section Assistant. It is the case of the petitioner that he is the senior most Khalasi and there are 2 posts of Section Assistant. And there is 1 section post, one section sanction post of Section Assistant which is lying vacant. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable on 22nd of January 2025. 3. R. Gogoi Learned Standing Counsel, Public PHE, except notice
1,
on
2,
behalf
3
of
and 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
5.
P. Nayak 5. Extra copies by tomorrow.
Because I'm one more year of service.
You are retiring in 26.
26 January.
All Sri Chakraborty, the Learned Counsel, prays for an interim order. Para. Though no blanket order of no blanket interim order can be passed, it is observed that any action taken will be subject to the outcome of this petition.
Public.
Item 4. Here,
Yes, Mr. Bhattakur.
your master Patel Japan. Is the was a possibility executive engineer PhD Albright division. He was your lordship transferred. Your lordship, although your lordship is transferred, your lordship transferred your own guideline is barred. See your lordship was transferred, your lordship on page 31. First transfer order. He was transferred.
The impugned order is of September.
No, your lordship September. Thereafter, some development took place. Your lordship, it was stayed by this honorable court, and after staying of that, your lordship, they modified it and put me in Rongia, your lordship. Those junior assistants did not allow me to join your lordship. Then I am again, your lordship, attached in Corpeta, PhD executive engineer wrote a letter saying that you will not, it should be reconsidered. We have enough persons, your lordship. Then your lordship, I am hanging, your lordship, since then. neither, and what they have did, your lordship, they have not been able to put me any place, your lordship. And my salary has been stopped and they have
Yes,
now,
Mr. Gogoi.
and your lordship will kindly see one thing, one letter, your lordship, one communication, your lordship. The page 43, they need person in Nalbari, your lordship. There is no one in Nalbari. Still, they don't allow me in Nalbari, your
How long have you served in
Your
Norbury?
lordship, since your lordship, this
Since the point.
order is September, your lordship. I am there, your lordship, no post is allotted to me. Your lordship.
No. Where is your initial posting? From where were you transferred?
From
Nalbari.
Nalbari, your lordship.
Nalbari, since when are you in Nalbari?
Nalbari, your lordship, I am, from my initial appointment, I am
When? 2012.
Date of joint, 2012.
12 years.
29 to 2012.
12 years.
5 years he's been here.
Lordship.
12 years you were in Nalbari.
Lordship. No, I am not on that, your lordship. I have not been allowed to join your lordship.
First, she was transferred to South Salmara. Thereafter, I made a representation before the minister. The minister forwarded to the chief engineer asking them to modify the transfer order, lordship. Thereby, the chief engineer took a call to either place him in Borpeta against if there's any vacancy or in Rongia. Since there was no vacancy in Borpeta, he was posted to Rongia, lord.
Rongya, he was not allowed to join.
Yes, lord. That instruction I have. Why
No,
Rongia is
not
not allowed?
allowed to join your lordship. Then they again, your lordship, modified it to Borpeta. Then Borpeta not allowed to join your lordship. Now they have said,
How can officer not allow him to join?
"Sir, your lordship will kindly see page 44, your lordship. Just moment, your lordship. Their own guidelines says, your lordship, is your assistance, your lordship, should not be transferred outside the district. Their own guidelines say so. And I will lose my seniority also, your lordship. Because seniority, your lordship,
Heard 3 as Bota Court Learned Council for the petitioner. Full stop. As per the facts projected, the petitioner is a senior assistant working in the Public Health Engineering Department and was at the relevant time in the office of the Executive Engineer, Albury Division. Full stop. The petitioner was transferred via an order dated 16/9/2024 to South Salmara, which was, however, modified after an order that was after court's interference.
no, your lordship,
Uh,
the court said it, but it
and
didn't
that
invalidate. I have also read
after the petitioner had approached this court by a writ petition, and the place of posting was changed from South Salmara to Rongia, correct? It is, however, the petitioner was not allowed to join at the Rongia office, which was reported to the authorities, and thereafter a further modification was made, transferring him to Borpeta. Full stop.
Not 11,000.
It is submitted that even at Borpeta, he was not allowed to join, and there is a communication by the head of the office that there are sufficient numbers of senior assistant
Sure.
in that office. Full stop. Resultantly, the petitioner is hanging, and salaries have also not been released. Full stop. The Learned Council has also he has also relied upon a communication as per which senior assistants are not to be transferred outside the district. Para? Let notice be issued returnable on, we'll fix a date on 10th. Get instructions.
Yes, sir.
On 10th of January 2025. Here for all?
I'm for all. All the
For all, huh? Extra copies, huh? On the next date, the Learned Standing Council will obtain instructions as to what steps are being taken for the posting of the petitioner and consequently for release of his salaries.
Obliged, lord.
Pick me up.
Item 5.
Hello, don't you count of unauthorized absence, madam. Expert inquiry was conducted, madam. He was specifically in jail during the period, and finally, madam, he was, madam, acquitted from the, madam, charges, page 90. Now, against the order of removal, madam, page 78,
You have been removed.
yes. Unless his 78 order of removal, that appeal he has
Yes,
deferred.
yes.
So let the appeal be disposed of directly. Let them be disposed of my payment. Because it is pending matter.
Now, we will make an observation. Pendency of this shall not be a bar for consideration. If you get the relief in the
Yes.
appeal, you can withdraw.
Yes.
Why are you satisfied with this? Because
No problem, yes.
I heard Sri B.K. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. As per the facts projected, the petitioner was working as a GD constable in the CRPF when he was arrested and tried in a criminal case being Silapathar PS case number so and so. Full stop. As a result thereof, an inquiry was held, and since the petitioner was in custody, he could not participate. And the inquiry proceeded ex parte, which culminated in an order dated 1/5/2016 of removal from service. Full stop. The petitioner has contended that on 8/7/2024, contended that vide a judgment dated 8/7/2024 passed by the learned session judge Dhemaji, he has been acquitted. Whereafter, he had preferred an appeal dated 23/9/2024 before the appellate authority to against the order of removal, which is pending. What is the challenge here?
Well, the challenge is that basically, my lord, that inquiry has to, my lord, be effect in the case of unauthorized absence, my lord, that my lord, people act on his part to be.
Let rule be issued. Returnable by 6 weeks. 3. RKD Chaudhary, the Deputy SG. I accept notice for on behalf of all the respondents. Extra copies by tomorrow. Para, pendency shall not be a bar for consideration and disposal of the appeal if it is found to be filed in accordance with law. I think the aspect of limitation would come.
Surprisingly, he was released in 2016 itself.
No, that we have seen. Removal is 16.
No. He was released from jail.
Oh, jail.
In 2016 itself. But he has filed his representation on it.
Well, he makes a statement, my lord, that he went there, he was not allowed to, my lord.
No, he
was
see,
not attended.
irrespective of that part, he is projecting his structuring his case
Yes,
on the basis of the acquittal.
Yes.
How much effect will he have on your department proceeding? That is,
Right.
these are matters we'll consider.
Sure.
Obliged.
Acquittal is what? On the basis of what?
My lord, they, proof beyond reasonable doubt, they failed.
Benefit of doubt, not an honorable acquittal.
And the criminal case is not in the charge.
What is the expression used in GM Tank? Honorable acquittal,
The honorable.
It has to be clear.
not on the benefit of doubt. Bring GM Tank on the next date.
Sure.
Yes, what is this?
From,
Hmm.
9/26, for behalf of the victim as well as new cases, Manawat Bhatta and Sabai. That the majority
Just a minute. Hey,
indicated
just a minute. Microphone to online नहीं रहता. What's it to me? Yes.
So, advertise was issued on 9/2/23
Yes.
for fill up of the, my lord, vacant post as well as newly created Anganabadi worker as well as Sahayika
Hmm.
under the, my lord, Tamulpur, ICDPO, my lord. So, petitioner had participated in the interview, which was held on, my lord,
What is your name? S.C. Das.
Saharani Sargiari,
What is your name?
SC Das, my lord.
Harthree S.C. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. As per the facts projected, a recruitment process was initiated for filling up the post of Anganwadi worker and Sahayika, vide an advertisement dated 9/2/2023 for the, which center?
My
For,
lord, it is
for the,
Buret, sir.
no, center for the post of,
It is Jabrang
in the Jabrang Par,
Bathau
Bathau, Mandir, Mini,
Anganwadi
Anganwadi Center
Center.
in the district of Tamulpur.
Yes,
Tamulpur.
yes, my lord.
That's right. It is the case of the petitioner that the said center was notified as a ST center
My lord.
and ST center.
ST.
And while the petitioner fulfills the said requirement, the respondent number 6,
Is a non-ST. my
who
lord.
is an unreserved, who belongs to the unreserved category, has been illegally selected.
My lord.
But she is Basumatari.
My lord.
She is Basumatari.
She becomes Basumatari after marriage with Suman Basumatari. She was originally Bondita Bejburua. So by virtue of marriage, it is, my lord, reservation
okay.
benefits cannot be
Okay.
attained, my
There is
lord.
no selected, no appointment order in the petition. Mere
No,
statement has been given.
I have given, it is RTI. RTI, your reply, it is revealed.
Okay.
Kindly find
Okay.
page 13.
কি
13.
কল রাস্তাটো কি কলো?
Page 13.
Who belongs to the unreserved category? Selected. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable by 6 weeks. Sri Social Welfare. Mosami.
Yes, Lord. So 1 and 2.
Mosami 1 and 2. BTC, Mr. Chaudhary.
Yes,
1,
madam. 3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, and 5. Extra copies. 6 registered post-TD by tomorrow. Sri Chaudhary, the learned standing council BTC, has, however, raised the objection that in the writ petition, neither any select list nor any appointment letter of the respondent number 6 have been annexed. Full stop. The aforesaid facts would be considered on the next date.
My lord, that information has been revealed from the RTI.
Okay, we have just,
Yes,
we will
yes.
consider on the next
Yes,
date.
ma'am.
You take steps.
Item 25, appeals.
Lordship, an interconnected writ petition was heard yesterday, Lordship,
Okay.
and the survival of this. This survival of this contempt petition relies on the outcome of that writ petition.
When is that fixed?
6th of
Oh,
January.
yesterday's stay vacating matter.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
After
Your D. Mahanta,
yes,
Ms.
Lordship.
D. Mahanta, Learned Council submits that the connected writ petition is fixed for consideration on 6/1/2025. Para, list this contempt petition on the said date along with WPC
WPC 1013 of 2023,
1013 of 2024,
Lordship.
1013 of 23. Okay.
Lordship, can it be fixed afterwards?
Let's see, or let it come on the date. We'll see.
Much obliged, Lordship.
27.
Matter relates to termination of service of the petitioner from the services of the Assam Khadi Village
Termination
Industries Board.
after a DP.
After DP.
Okay. Heard. Sri R. Mazumdar Learned Council for the petitioner who is aggrieved by her termination from service. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that initially she was dismissed, whereafter she had approached this court and the matter was remanded for a fresh decision. And the same has culminated in the impugned order of removal, termination,
There was one more DP initiated. They withdrew the charge. This is the third DP on the same subject.
which culminated in the impugned order dated 28/8/2024. Full stop. It is also the case of the petitioner that This is the third departmental proceeding. Para, let rule be issued, returnable by 6 weeks.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Munir, my lord, he is not going to take. Respondent 1 to 5.
3 Hazarika, learned counsel. Appearing on instruction of 3 P. Munir.
PK Munir.
PK Munir accepts notice, standing counsel accepts notice on behalf of respondent was
1 to 5.
1 to 5. His name has been shown otherwise? Okay,
Yes.
standing counsel. And what about the others? Okay.
My lord, I'll take custody on that.
Extra copies, steps for service of notice 6 and 7 by registered post with AD. Steps within 2 days.
My lord.
Steps by tomorrow.
Public.
Bless you.
20?
May it please, your lord. My lord, your petitioner joined her service on 13/11/2007 as a demonstrator in the Department of Forensic Science, Guwahati Medical College.
I don't think I'll take up this matter. Let it go before any other bench. Listen for any other bench.
Can it be posted tomorrow?
Urgency is there.
Urgency that way, but your lordship understand the case of an advocate. If it is
No, your
possible,
client is a very reasonable person.
yes,
That is why you're not taking up this matter. She'll understand.
Well-
But registry may list this case. As urgency has been expressed, registry may list this case tomorrow before any other
Right.
bench.
I'm so.
Matter, lord. Let me, Mr. Senior Counsel, Mr. T.J. Monte is arguing another for time being, lordship.
What is
Yes.
the matter?
Lordship, this is regarding holding of charge, lordship.
You have an interim prayer.
Yes, lordship.
Seriously?
Yes, lordship.
Then we hear and reject the interim prayer.
Yes, lordship. And
What is the interim prayer you're having?
lordship, the order dated, lordship, page 15, lordship. This is an order, lordship, petitioner is holding the charge of video additionally in addition to his post. But the respondent number 4 is allowed to hold the charge of what the petitioner is holding.
But that is your additional charge. How do you stick to your additional charge?
But the ad hoc cannot be replaced by another ad hoc, lordship. I am-
Additional charge.
Lordship, there's a
He will also hold on additional basis or what? That's one number
He's
4.
holding, respondent was holding the substantive post as well as my post, additional post, lordship. His substantive post is video, lordship. Where I am holding the in-charge, here replacing me, he has been allowed, lordship.
And what is your substantial post?
My post is extension officer credit, lordship.
And you're holding the post of video.
I see video, lordship.
Okay, and your post has been now given to whom?
This respondent number 4,
What is her substantive post?
video, lordship. He is 50 kilometers away from the present posting.
Video has been giving the post of video.
Lordship, this is in-charge, lordship. Ad hoc cannot be replaced another ad hoc, lordship.
You are not even at the our video and extension officer at par.
Lordship, I am, my next post is promotional post is video, lordship.
So
I am holding within the 4 kilometer. Let my senior come, lordship.
you're holding a post which is not in fact, you are not even eligible.
Lordship,
Since how long are you holding this post? In
this
charge,
order is given 24/6, lordship.
in charge basis, how long?
From
24/6.
24/6 2024.
6 years, 6 weeks, 6 months.
6 months.
You have
After 6
already enjoyed.
months, lordship,
What is your age?
lordship 54. Till that I have not been provided due to some reason, lordship. I have stated.
We thought you are a young person, so there is some marriage proposal as a video. You don't want to disturb that. That is not the 55-year-old
Yes, sir. Yes.
bachelor,
No, lordship.
family man,
Family man.
Manoj Bajpayee. Okay. After some, oh yes, we have rejected your interim order.
No, my lord, your lordship kindly see, my lord.
How can you, extension officer, hold the post of video and stake a claim, take a lien over video post? Video is above you.
Absolutely correct, my lord. Your lordship kindly see, one ad hoc arrangement cannot be replaced by another ad hoc arrangement, my lord.
How are you holding it in the ad hoc arrangement? Are
My
you
lord.
entitled to hold the post of video?
Yes, my lord.
How?
Your lordship kindly see the.
Are you in that cadre?
Your lordship kindly see.
Are you in the cadre of video?
No,
Then-
absolutely correct. No, I'm not. But your lordship kindly see the government circular.
And the other one, he has a better claim. He is already in the cadre of
Correct. He
video.
is a better claim, my lord. If it is my arrangement is, my lord, disturbed by a regular appointment, I have nothing to say.
But my regular appointment, my lord,
But you are not eligible to hold that post.
I am eligible, my lord. Your lordship,
How?
kindly see the circular, my lord.
Page
Page 18, my lord.
18.
Yes, my lord. 1-8. There is a circular, office man still hold the field, my lord. Para 2.
Para 2. Please
Para two,
read.
ma'am.
Please read.
After careful consideration, it is felt that wherever a post of video is in a district is this form vacant, regular video is not posted in this department due to the shortage of deputy commissioner, principal secretary, authorized council, or autonomous council will first try to post the ACS officer on the rank of EAC as a in charge of the vacant post of video. In addition to this substantive post, however, if a ACS officer is not available, then they may be placed gazetted extension officer credit or gazetted extension officer fishery in such video till regular video is posted. So I am eligible, my lord. Your lordship kindly see that line.
There is no SCS officer.
There is no ACS officer. So that's why, my lord, I was in civil charge, my lord.
Mr.
So
Kwon,
that is
Your lordship, the present petitioner is holding the substantial post of extension officer credit in Sotia development block. He is holding the as a post of in charge head video of the Chakumatha development block in a different development.
only
And then
4 kilometers.
the respondent number 4 is holding a substantive post of video. She is already in the cadre of video, your lordship. At a nearby block, your lordship. Now,
no, Mr. Mohanto is trying
yes, your
to
lordship.
rely on paragraph 2.
Yes, your
Please
lordship.
again let us again read paragraph 2. Page 18.
After careful.
We are not on the ad hoc part. We are not too much impressed by the ad hoc part. He is not in the cadre. But what does the this says? First, if there is no regular video, first you have to post an ACS officer of the rank of EAC as in charge.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
In addition to his substantive. However, if an ACS officer is not available, they may place gazetted extension officer credit. He is a gazetted extension officer credit.
Yes.
He is entitled to hold the post of in charge. Now the present replacement, is it done by a regular video?
No, not this is not regular. Additional charge is given, your lordship. But your lordship, my humble submission is so far as this office memorandum is concerned,
Yes.
it doesn't bestow any right over the credit officer.
No, you are absolutely correct. When there is no regular video available, what are the options available to you?
Your lordship, the regular video is available holding additional charge.
No, in this, it's not an additional charge, is not regular. Let us not be confused. Additional charge is not regular. Regular means a substantive post. Is the response number 4
Yes,
given
your-
the substantive post?
Yes, your lordship is right. But so far as this office memorandum is concerned, it is not bestowed any right over the credit officers to hold this post, your lordship. It is just to internal regulation of the administration, your lordship.
Why don't you appoint an EAC of the district? EAC gets the first preference. Have an EAC. Why do you bring a video from another place?
It is 50 kilometers away from, my lord, that area.
That is not even envisaged by this. You can give the charge to an EAC. If not EAC, then gazetted officer, executive, extension officer. That we have done. But how do you replace him by a video? It's not even, and in the scheme of this notification.
Your lordship, this seems a person who is already working in this category.
Show us under what provision. If you say that this notification office memorandum is not in existence or is as on
But
today.
it is still in existence. But it is not that some right has been bestowed upon the.
No, you are
credit
correct.
officer.
You are correct. Right has not been vested. But if you follow 2, if there is no regular video available, what do you do?
Yes,
You envisage a situation.
Yes.
Regular video is not available. What
Yes.
do you do?
Yes.
You
We'll
give
go
the
for
charge
EAC.
to the EAC.
Yes.
Now, if there is no EAC, you give the charge to the gazetted extension officer. There is not even a reflection that you can give the charge to another video. Is it there?
No, my lord. If it is the regular video is appointed, I have no case at all, my lord.
And you are absolutely correct, Mr. Kaur. See the last line.
Yes.
This ad hoc and replacement of extension officer BDO shall not vest any claim to permanent posting of BDO. That right is he cannot tomorrow claim that no, I have to be
cannot.
appointed as a BDO. He's saying that how do you replace me as an in-charge BDO? By a BDO who is in another place. You can replace me with an ESC.
Regular.
So far as the present petitioner is also concerned, so far as he is concerned, he's not working this Tokomota block development officer. He is also from another block.
That was
holding
your
a-
that was
substantive
your
post holding extension officer.
you cannot take up this plea. It was your decision to give him the charge. We did not ask you to give him the charge.
Yes.
On your own wisdom, you gave him the charge. Mr. Mahanta, you are waiting for the vacation to move this case.
No, my lord. Your lordship kindly see, my lord, the order passed
Otherwise,
on
the
10th, my lord.
case for dismissal.
Order passed on 10th, my lord. Your lordship kindly see.
And that too penultimate day. Courtcraft. Okay, heard Sri T.J. Mahanta, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by S.U. Ahmed for the petitioner. Full stop. It is the case projected that the petitioner, who is substantively posted as extension officer credit in the Sutia
Development.
Sutia Development Block, Biswanath District, was allowed to hold the charge of BDO vide an order dated 24/6/2024 at the Sakomatha Development Block. Full stop. However, vide the impugned order dated 6/12/2024, the said charge is being sought to be given to the respondent number
4, my lord.
4. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that apart from the aspect of replacing one ad hoc arrangement by another ad hoc arrangement, the impugned order is in violation of the office memorandum dated 5/8/2009. Are you still holding the post?
Yes, I am still holding the post.
But there is a release order.
No, release order, my lord, I am not giving a charge to him.
The unilateral charge.
Release order is 10th of December.
No, my lord, he has
9 days.
He has
Right
not,
to unilateral take over his charge.
Interim.
till now, I am not holding the post, my lord. He has not even come, my lord.
Status quo will lead
My-
to a
Yes.
conflict. 144 citation.
My lord. Because it is only 4 kilometers, his, my lord, 50 kilometers away.
কি করলো? 5/8/2009 holding the field. Full stop. It is submitted that as per clause 2 of the said office memorandum, whenever a post of BDO in a district falls vacant and regular BDO is not posted due to shortage, the deputy commissioner, the authority would first try to post an ACS officer in the rank of EAC as in charge in addition to his substantive post, and if such ACS officer is not available, a gazetted extension officer within bracket credit or gazetted extension officer within bracket fishery may be posted as in charge BDO till a regular BDO
He is
is
appointed.
posted. Full stop. Para. It is submitted that in sync with the aforesaid office memorandum, the petitioner was given charge vide the order dated 24/6/2024, and the present impugned order is in conflict with the said office memorandum. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable by, we will give a date, returnable on 22nd of January 2025. 5, K. Kaur, learned. You appear as AAG or what?
AAG.
Learned AAG accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2,
And 3.
1, 2, and 3. Extra copies. 4 by registered post with AD. Steps by tomorrow. Para. The learned senior counsel for the petition appraised for an interim order. Full stop. He submits that though there was a release order dated 10th of January 2024,
December.
10th of December 2024, he is still holding the charge. Full stop. Para. Considering the facts and circumstances, and also the office memorandum dated 5/8/2009, this court is of the opinion that a prima facie case for consideration of an interim order is made out. Full stop. However, taking into account that a release order has already been passed on 10 December 2024, it is directed that till the returnable date, status quo as on today be maintained.
My lord, your lordship, if your lordship, my lord, 20, that main order stayed, my lord, then everything will be clear. My lord.
Well, we cannot stay. If you are released, we cannot stay.
No, I have made a statement, my lord. then
Status
perhaps
quo. Status quo.
My lord.
Status quo as on today.
No, my lord, he unilaterally, that's why I'm challenging. My
No?
lord. Unilaterally such he has been taken. But here that order is there, my lord.
Very difficult. Three principles will not be meeting. Balance of convenience. If he has taken over charge, how do you?
But
you said status quo will be very happy.
My lord, all right. My lord, regarding the judgment, my lord, that ad hoc appointment cannot be replaced by. Develop.
Okay.
Obliged.
I didn't agree.
My lord, with the permission from your lordship, I am taking one, my lord, additional affidavit on record, my lord, after some time.
You have made the requisition.
Yes, my lord. Obliged.
Lordship, relaxing age relaxation, my lord.
Lordship, the last date was yesterday, Lordship.
I mean, that online last date was 18th, my lord. And on being approached, they said that if there is any order from the court, we will accept.
We
No,
cannot.
Lordship.
If the last date is gone, it's gone. We'll issue notice.
But, and as far wisdom, if they accept, my lord, after that observation may be.
No.
Howard Street, J. Laskar Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. It is the projected case that the petitioners are contractual employees of the NHM who were appointed during the period 2006-2008. Full stop. The petitioners were aspiring to participate in a recruitment process which has been initiated via an advertisement dated 5/12/2024 for filling up 636 posts of A&M. Full stop. However, the petitioner do not meet the upper age limit. Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued returnable by those cases we
21/2025.
returnable on 21/2025. 3 D. Pomanya Learned Standing Council Health and Family Affairs Department accepts notice on behalf of all the
No,
I
no,
think
1,
1 to
3,
4.
and 4. 1, 3.
1, 3, and 4. What about 2 finance? Miss H. Barua for on behalf of PNAC Finance, 2. And what about 5? Mission B. Gogoi, Standing Council. 3. Laskar Learned Council for the petitioner praised for an interim order. Full stop. However, 3. Upamanyu the Learned Standing Council has informed that the last date for submission of application was yesterday. Full stop,
They
para,
made a statement. to
para.
that effect.
In view of the above, comma, no interim order can be passed. Full stop. However, if the authorities on their own wisdom are willing to accept the application, comma, there will be no bar.
Value.
Item 22.
May it please your lordship. My lord, the petitioners before your lordship are husband and wife, my lord. Both of them.
Two petitioners.
Yes, my lord. Both of them are working in border roads organization, my lord, and they key employees, my lord. They
There?
have a minor son, my lord. My lord, the issue is that at page 27, one transfer order was issued in respect of petitioner number 1, and in page 40, another transfer order was issued in case of petitioner number 2. Petitioner number 1 was transferred to Jammu district, and the petitioner number 2 was transferred to Silapattar.
Now, where are you posted?
Now, both of them are posted at Tezpur, my lord.
You are both in Tezpur.
Tezpur.
Which organization? GREF?
BRO, my lord, Border Roads
BRO.
Organization, and under GREF,
General Reserve Engineering Force.
Engineering Force.
You are presently at Tezpur.
Yes, ma'am.
Husband now transferred to? You have a
Jammu.
child.
I have a child 3 years old. My husband transferred to Jammu, my lord.
Petitioner 1.
Petitioner number 1, and petitioner number 2 has been transferred to Silapattar, Assam Arunachal border.
Okay. Now, what do you seek?
Now, my lord, I have written one representation
I means?
on 30. At
I
page
means,
50.
I means?
My lord, both petitioner number 2 is the wife, my lord. She has written one representation at page 50.
P2 has made a representation.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
And she has stated her difficulties, that because she has a 3-year-old child, so it will be difficult if
Now,
both
what
the
is your
parents-
prayer now?
Now, my lord, my prayer is that my right flows from 2 office memorandum, my lord. There are 2 office memorandum. One is of 2009.
No, no, that is okay. What is your prayer now? What do you seek?
My lord, I am seeking that let them take a decision whether they can post it me together or at least nearby somewhere. I'm not opting for any choice posting that I have to be posted.
Now,
here.
which transfer order are you challenging?
My lord, both this transfer order at page.
How do you
32
challenge in
and-
one petition?
But because both of them are since they are husband and wife, my lord. that is-
How do you challenge in one petition? These are separate transfer orders. You file 2 petitions, get it tagged, that's a different matter. You can espouse one transfer order. We'll grant you some protection because of this peculiar, but
Yes.
you immediately
My lord.
file another, and
Yes,
after
ma'am.
filing, you can tag that.
Yes.
Madam, what do you say? No, some time will grant. But do you have the instructions? What do you do in the meantime? When are the orders of transfer? What date?
My lord, first order was issued on 17.
Jammu order.
Yes, my lord. Jammu
17?
order 17/8/2024.
Yeah, August.
Yes, my lord. But there is a procedure which I had to follow. That is
And
why
the Silapatthar order?
Silapatthar 28/8.
Why are you so late? When did you file representation?
But my lord, there is a
When did you
procedure
file
that is-
representation?
My representations, I have filed 2 representations, my lord.
Yes.
Initial one was filed on page 43. This was prior to issuance.
Date.
Date 5/8/2024.
Private is not concerning because it's 17/8 and
Yes.
28.
But
What is
second representation is at page 50,
Date?
my lord, 31/8/2024.
By the wife.
By the wife, my lord. And
it
this
is,
was,
it is before whom?
my lord,
The representation is before whom?
the representation was before the administrative officer, my lord.
Made a party or not?
Yes, my lord, I have made a party.
Respondent?
Respondent number,
Basically.
respondent number 3, my lord.
R3.
Yes. And in fact, my lord, at page 53, all my representations were recommended by all the officers. In fact, the rank of additional director general has recommended my posting. At page 53, my lord, for spouse post.
Okay, you take a call, okay? We'll have a date. Until then, don't affect the transfer orders, but you do
My lord, I
immediately,
will-
okay. Hearts K. Mohammed, Learned Counsel, for the petitioners. First up, the petitioners are posted as what?
My lord, petition number 1 posted as OEM, operator excavating machine.
Huh?
OEM, my lord, OEM.
Operator?
Excavating machine. And petitioner number
The
2,
petition number 1 is an operator
excavating machine.
excavating.
Excavating machine.
Operator excavating machine, OEM.
OEM.
And the petition number 2?
As PNR, pioneer.
Pioneer.
Pioneer, POI.
Pioneer in what?
My lord, my lord, it's the post.
Name of the post is Pioneer.
Yes, my lord.
Pioneer. Full stop. Both the petitioners are spouses and presently posted at Tejpur, and they have a 3-year-old child. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioners is with regard to orders of transfers, namely one dated 17/8/2024, whereby the petition number 1 has been sought to be transferred to Jammu, and the other dated 28/8/2024, whereby the petition number 2 is sought to be transferred to Silapatra.
Silapatra.
Full stop. It is the case of the petitioners that, taking into consideration that they have a minor child, the places of postings can either be in one location or in a nearby location.
Nearby location.
Full stop. In this regard, no, don't write it. The Learned Counsel has submitted that in this regard, the petition number 2 has submitted representations, including one dated 31/8/2024, before the administrative officer, and such representation was also recommended for a favorable consideration.
Yes, my lord.
Para. Let notice be issued, returnable on 22nd of January 2025. Madam, you're for all. Miss Ambora, Learned Counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri S.P. Chaudhary, Learned CCC accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Let extra copies by tomorrow. Para. 3. Mohammed, the Learned Counsel, prays for an interim protection. Full stop. He has submitted that though the transfer orders are of August 2024, they are still at Tejpur, as the transfer orders are required to be followed by a number of formalities.
Yeah.
And those are yet to be over.
Yeah.
Full stop. This court has, however, noticed that substantively 2 separate orders of transfers are put to challenge in a single petition, which perhaps is not the correct course of action. Full stop. Be that as it may, considering the case on a holistic manner and taking into account the interest of justice, including the aspect of the 3-year-old child, till the returnable date, it is directed that the petitioners be retained at their present place of posting at Tejpur. Full stop. The pendency shall not be a bar for disposal, for consideration and disposal of the representation dated 31/8/2024 by the administrative officer, within bracket response number 3. Para. The Learned Counsel is also given liberty to file a separate application for the, for either of the petitioner.
I'm deeply obliged.
Okay. Give her extra copies.
My lord.
I don't know. What's the time? will be? Mr. AM, yes, where is your petition? Do you have a copy?
Well,
Item number? What is the case?
Here in this case, petitioner before your lordship applied for my lord constable under my lord sub selection commission. Accordingly,
CGC, Mr. Mehdi? CGC. Who's there? Ms. Barua?
no. Therefore, my lord, he secured 87 marks, but he is not selected. But private respondent who my lord, secured only my lord, 82 marks, he is selected, my lord. Perhaps, my lord, his certificate was misplaced, my lord.
Your certificate.
Yes, my lord. Therefore, my lord, it is clerical mistake, maybe, my lord. Appointment is yet not, my lord, given. Is yet to be issued.
How do you stay an appointment?
Only my
What have you stated here? In the
yes, my
additional.
lord, last page, my lord, 69. Kindly have a look, my lord. My mark, my lord. Right hand side, my lord.
No,
80
you have made a statement 87 and 82.
Yes, my lord.
You're 87, he's 82.
Yes, my lord.
That statement is there, we'll go by that, no problem.
My lord, my mark, my lord, page 82, my lord. 82 he got, my lord, selected his page 58, my lord.
Now that we have made a statement in the writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
There's nothing to disbelieve. We'll go by that, no problem. Heard. Sri A.M. Barbhia, Learned Counsel. Yes, what do you say, madam?
Yes, lordship, inspection activity.
He says he belongs to the EWS category and he has secured more marks than the selected candidate,
Yes.
in spite of which he has not been selected. Okay. Heard. Sri A.M. Barbhia, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who had participated in a selection test, in a recruitment process for the post of constable GD in the various wings of the Central Armed Police Force within bracket CAPFS. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that though he is eligible to be regarded as an EWS candidate, and in this regard had also submitted application, his candidature, he has not been selected for appointment. And on the other hand, the respondent number 5, who had secured less marks, has been selected. Full stop. It is the specific case of the petitioner that while he had secured 87 marks in the EWS category, the respondent number 5 had secured 82 marks. Para, let notice be issued, returnable on 22nd of January 2025. Ms. Barua, as Barua for 1 to 4. Correct?
Yes.
Extra copies by tomorrow. 5 registered post with AD. Steps by tomorrow.
May I, my lord, pray, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, lordship may observe, my lord, they may verify the claim, my lord, if it is clerical mistake or otherwise maybe they have
Sri Barbhia, let council prays for an interim order. Para. Considering the above, it is observed that any appointments made in the meantime shall be subject to the outcome of this writ petition, and pendency shall not be a bar for verification of the claim of the petitioner as to whether he was an EWS category candidate.
Deeply.
Mr. Barbia, take the affidavit and try to bring the affidavit and tag it in the records. You take your copy. Bhushan Khutam. Yes, any urgent matters. Others will not take up.
Item number 8 was a motion matter, my lord. But because of the department change, my lord, social welfare department has become the women's and child department. That is why IA has to be filed, my lord, as directed by the honorable court, my lord.
Okay, we'll allow the IA.
Allow it.
Okay. Who is for the other side?
The government of Assam, my lord.
Mr. Nath. IA.
Eight.
Item 8. There is an implement.
Para 2.
Para?
Para 2 of the IA, my lord.
We allow this, madam. Okay. Heard. Sri B. Chetri, learned counsel for the applicant, who by means of this application has prayed for making alteration, changes, so far as the respond numbers 1, 2, and 4 are concerned. Full stop. It is submitted that when the writ petition was moved on 6/12/2024, it was detected that the name of the department was mentioned as Social Welfare Department and not as the Women and Child Development Department, a change which was affected in the meantime. Para? Also heard Miss A. Taluta, learned G. Assam, who does not object to the said prayer. Para? After considering the matter, the instant I is allowed, and the respond numbers 1, 2, and 4, and the name and the description of the respond numbers 1, 2, and 4 are allowed to be corrected. Full stop. The learned counsel is accordingly directed to file an amended cause title within a period of
2 days.
Hmm?
Within 2 days, my lord.
And we'll have it on the reopening within a week, and the matter may be listed for, and the writ petition may be listed for motion immediately on the reopening. I stand disposed of.
Milord, item 7, Milord. I have filed one IA, Milord, for imprisonment as a respondent, Milord, 7, personal B department.
No, if there are urgent matters, only those will take
Yes,
up.
then, Milord, after vacation,
After
reopening of-
vacation. Any matters urgent?
My lord, only item number 33, my lord. This is also an imprisonment petition, my lord. After vacation, my lord. My only prayer, my lord, another petition is filed, my lord, similar matter for claiming promotion, my lord. That will come along with this petition.
Give the number.
Along with item number 18, my lord. WPC number 5444/24.
5444/24. Huh?
In item number 18, my lord.
Okay.
18, I am paying. Similar attached. It will attack everyone.
What is your matter?
My lord, this matter is also claiming promotion from my lord.
Item number?
My lord, this item is not come. Already, my lord, this is pending, my lord. I am filing an implement in their petition, my lord.
Implement is not before this court today, Lord.
Item number 33.
Implement is, petition is not before this court. Lord.
I said to.
Which item?
Item 33, my lord.
33.
33. Supply, my lord.
Yes, 33. Ghaneshyam Das.
Yes, my lord.
It should be listed along with item 18.
18, my lord. And another writ petition, my lord, similar claim, my lord, regarding promotion, my
I
lord.
have no information.
Okay,
So my case is
33.
independent, Lordship, not.
My lord, this is
Any
claiming.
Lordship, Lordship can take up.
No. 33 is an independent petition. It should be listed along with item 18. Item 18. And another writ
Yes,
petition, another writ petition.
54424 writ petition.
Okay. Any other cases?
My lord, item number 19 and 20, my lord.
Yes.
In item number 19, I have filed an IA for keeping the post vacant, in which I am claiming appointment, my lord. Now, today it was fixed for the objection from the respondent side and also for final disposal if possible today. Now, lordship, my apprehension is that the results may be declared because fresh advertisement has been done.
Which for the other side?
Item 19.
Item number?
19.
Cooperation Department, anybody?
Okay, here the recruitment process of state level recruitment commission. He is claiming for post under the 2022 recruitment process. 2023 lordship written examination has been completed and results for declaration of result the process is up. At this stage,
What is your apprehension?
My lord, if the results are declared, the post in which I am claiming, someone else will be appointed in those posts. Then my entire writ petition goes.
Results declaration doesn't mean an appointment immediately.
My lord, then I
Appointment
will
is a different
again
process.
challenge that to your my lord.
Appointment is a different process. Appointment will take time. When are you contemplating to declare the results? And
lordship evaluation is under process.
it takes some time. His attempt should not be frustrated. Let us see. You have it on the reopening.
My lord.
Third.
On third.
Third.
My lord. My lord. Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, in item number 10, that relates to dismissal from service. Lordship, as per last order, the government were to be they were to file an affidavit, or else they were to produce records, and an endeavor was to be made by the honorable court to dispose of the matter.
Dismissal matter, 24 matter, endeavor, why? There are matters of 2019. Dismissal matter will have to it will be heard after issuance of rule. Why are they sensitive? What post?
Lordship,
Post?
Inspector, Lord.
Or after a DP?
Yes, Lordship.
We will have to have a uniform policy. Let it become very post of a grade 3 or grade 4 or something. This is a normal termination after DP. Not say anything. Sorry. After the vacation. Any matter, any urgent matters, madam?
Lordship, with regard to item number 34 and 35, Lordship, this matter was to be taken up today for consideration.
Yes.
Lordship, may kindly fix a date in the first week of.
We will do it. 34, 35. Okay. Others dates will be given. You make an
Item 9, Lord.
Yes. You make a request because they court must. Okay.
Item 17, my lord. My lord, regarding appointment of my lord DD Constable. Now, cover judgment is there. Your lordship, my lord.
Item 17.
17.
17, no, DP Constable, yes, which? CGC?
CGC.
CGC, anyone? Madam Borwa? Any idea?
Yes. 17.
Is it covered?
Cover judgment is there.
No, Lordship, yes.
Cover judgment.
Covered judgment is there, Lordship, but review petition has been has filed already in that petition. Therefore, but in this case, already verification has been completed. Fingerprints verification. And
Not covered. Review is there.
No.
Or after the vacation. Yes,
My lord,
Mr.
item 13, my lord.
1-3.
Pension matter, my lord, since 2022, the pension is not been granted.
13, who is there on the other side? 13, other side.
Affidavit was supposed to be filed positively, my lord.
We can take up 13 if it's a pension matter. 13. Who's there? Madam? CGC? No, not CGC. State of Assam. Mr. Nath. Pension matters. 1-3. Affidavit not filed.
Okay.
Instruction is here, Lordship.
Affidavit filed or not?
not filed, Lordship.
You filed the affidavit. It's a matter pertaining to
Here,
pension.
after the issuance of PPA, my lord, the pension has been stopped. My lord, it
When did you
cannot-
retire?
My lord, I retired, my lord, 31/3/20.
And by 9/12, you are supposed to file the affidavit invariably.
Lordship, just after the petition. Lordship.
Immediately, my lord, on the reopening.
What is the stage of the affidavit? Have you processed the affidavit?
But there.
Last order, Mr. Nath, 2211. Sri Chakraborty, submitted instructions have been received and undertakes to file the affidavit invariably by 9/12. List on 19/12. See, it has been listed 10 days after the last date.
But I have already given instruction to take steps to fight that. But somehow it didn't.
The matter pertains to a claim for pension, and this court, wide order dated 22/11/2024, had fixed the matter today by directing filing of affidavit by 9/12/2024. Para Srinath Dinath, the learned senior advocate Assam, has, however, prayed for some more time by stating that the preparation of the affidavit is in process. Full stop, para. As a last opportunity, time is granted to file such affidavit and the matter be listed for consideration on 8. We give you sufficient time. 8/1.